Welcome back to day 3 of the shadowing challenge. Today's topic is what should I wear to a party? Let's speak together. My friend is throwing a party tonight. And honestly, I am super excited. But there's just one problem. I have no idea what to wear. I opened my wardrobe and thought, what should I wear? Which color dress should I wear? I first picked a red dress, but it looked too flashy. Then I tried a black one. Because black never goes out of style. But still, I couldn't make up my mind. I was in two minds. Should I keep it simple or go all out? Then I called my best friend and said, "Can you help me out? I am totally confused." She laughed and said, "Stop overthinking. Just wear whatever makes you feel confident." And honestly, she hit the nail on the head. Confidence is the key. You don't always need expensive clothes to stand out from the crowd. Sometimes your smile, your energy, and your confidence can steal the show. That's the end of today's shadow practice. I'll see you in day 4. Until then, bye-bye.